Reddit. This website is huge. Like literally every people on earth is on Reddit. Here you can find a lot of interesting things. And today's topic is 5 different ways you can use Reddit for your benefit. Before we get started, it would be great if you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Use Reddit to promote your services. Well, if you are providing any online services such as writing services, graphic designing services, or any type of services that you can exchange online, you can promote that on this website. Now, how to promote a service is another topic. You have to consider a lot of things while promoting your service. For that, check out another video we made that will be in our channel. Number 2. If you're a gamer or play some sort of games, you can join the community. Well, there are communities that play the game you play all the time. If you're stuck on some level or need some information about the game, you can post and there will be people helping you. Number 3. If you are researching about something, such as someone, let's say a celebrity, or some drama that has been going on in the industry, the drama and the news will be on Reddit for sure. Since there are literally thousands of people, you can find anything here. Number 5. If you are someone who loves to share stories or listen to creepy, romantic, or any types of story, you can find them on Reddit. If you know creepypasta, there are many creepypastas you can find on Reddit, and you can use this great entertainment site of Reddit for your enjoyment. There are the 5 great ways you can use Reddit. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you liked the video. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. See ya until the next one.